Hello, everyone. Are you struggling with foundational chemistry? You are in GSS 3, you are SS1 and going into SS1, SS2, SS3, and you don't know this. It is going to affect you as a chemistry student. It means you can't really go far as a chemistry student. So, here we want to answer this question. It says, write the name of the following compounds. Okay, number one, sodium oxide. Number 2, aluminium chloride. Number 3, magnesium oxide. Number 4, potassium sulfide. And number 5, calcium nitride. Now you're going to wonder why I wrote this here. That is because I used the periodic table. This is what we call the periodic table of the first 20 elements. I used the periodic table in order to identify what we call valencies. Without valencies, you cannot write correctly the formula of an inorganic compound. I say that again. Without valencies, or what we call oxidation number, you cannot write correctly the formula of an inorganic compound. So when you look at here, this is what we call group 1 element in the periodic table. The valency is +1, all of them here. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. Group 2 elements, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, the valency is +2. Group 3 elements, the valency is +3. Group 4 element, the valency is +2 or +4. You can see that. Group 5 element is -3. So from group 5, group 6, group 7, group 6 is -1. Group 7 is, group 6 is -2. Group 7 is -1. Okay, so in writing the formula of an organic compound, we just simply it must be a combination of a positive and a negative charge. So A can be positively charged and B can be negatively charged, forming a compound, an inorganic compound. And so they must exchange their radicals. X would come this way, Y will come this way. So you're going to now have A, Y, B, X, but it must be to the smallest ratio. I needed to mention that, to the smallest ratio. That means after you exchange the valency, make sure that you reduce the ratio to the smallest ratio. So now we understand this, we can write the formula for this compound. The first one says sodium oxide. So let's see. Sodium is a group 1 element. The valency is +1, so I write it as plus. Oxide is in group 6, the valency is -2, I write it as -2. When they exchange their valencies, this come here, I'm going to have Na2O. Now this is the formula for sodium oxide. Interesting, right? Now look at the next one. This is A, the first one. Number 2 says aluminium chloride. So aluminium has a valency of +3. Chlorine has a valency of -1. If they exchange their valencies, aluminium is here +3, chloride is here -1. If they exchange their valencies, this is now going to be AlCl3. You see? So 3 comes here, 1 comes here, so it becomes AlCl3. Right? Now look at the next one. The next one says magnesium oxide. Magnesium has a valency of +2. This is magnesium here, +2. Oxide is from oxygen, has a valency of -2. This is oxygen, -2. Are you saying that they have the same valency? There is a, reduce it to the smallest ratio, it will be 1:1. So that means magnesium oxide will be written as MgO. Interesting, right? Then for number 4, potassium sulfide. Potassium has a valency of +1. Then sulfide has a valency of -2. Then writing potassium sulfide must be written like this, K2S. You see this? Then number 5 is calcium nitride. Calcium has a valency of +2. This is calcium. Nitride has a valency of -3. This is nitride. And so calcium nitride should be written as Ca3. If you exchange valency, Ca3N2. So this is how calcium nitride should be written. Very easy. Is that it? So I want you to write for me in the comment section the formula for this compound. It is, are you there? It is aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide. Okay, so write it in the comment section. I will be here to see it. For those of you that have watched to this point, I want to invite you into my foundational class in sciences, physics, chemistry, biology, maths, English. The classes is going to be holding on Google Meet, and it's going to be an amazing class. This is specifically for students leaving GSS 3 and entering into SS1. Okay, you want to have a very wonderful foundation in sciences. Please join this class. The class is ongoing already, but no time to join is late. We have a way of going through it for you. Thank you very much. Okay, see you in class.